How do you know that you, Eric, are in possession of the true position by this revelation, and you are not being manipulated by a matrix?
Again, you don't like our answer. We would say everybody, DPR, you, Michael, Aaron, Concordance, Tony, Thunderfoot, Cy, myself, all of us and everybody in the world has revelation from the one who knows everything.
Are you saying that the law of non-contradiction does not necessarily apply, or it does necessarily apply? Which one?
I would say that we cannot make claims about necessity.
Right, so it does not necessarily, well, you're saying that you don't know if it necessarily applies?
We can't be certain, no.
You can't be certain? Okay, then you can be.
No.
Yeah, because you're contradicting yourself.
This is Eric's argument here. What fraction of the universe do you have experience of, Si?
Very little.
I can answer that question.
So in that entire rest of the universe you don't have experience of, is it possible that the law of contradiction does not apply?
No, because God has experience of it. And the thing is, the law of non-contradiction is
right,
not...
but you don't. But you don't.
No, but he reveals some things to us such that we can be certain of them.
Evidence does not presuppose God. The only thing that presupposes God are the guys that do not have evidence.
Eric,
Yeah, nice little...
Eric.
Yeah, nice little rant there. And by the way, saying it loud doesn't make it true. The problem with it is you are somebody who would have to admit that you could be wrong about everything. So every claim you make, including the claims of God does this and doesn't do that and things like that, you have to say you could be wrong.
I did not say that I am wrong about everything. I said
you said you could be. Certainty means that it cannot be wrong. The only way you can say you can be certain of it is if you either have all knowledge yourself or are revealed knowledge. And if you now hang on, Aaron.
Okay,
if you want to, hey Aaron,
Aaron, let him finish his point. Aaron, let him finish his point. Aaron.
Quit setting me up. Let me say the damn sentence. It's not that hard. He's telling me that I have to have all knowledge. I have to know everything about everything before I can say whether 2 plus 2 equals 5. He says 2 plus 2 cannot equal 5.
You didn't let me finish. Hang on, dude, Aaron.
Aaron, please, Aaron.
Do you ever have? It's called a conversation.
Aaron, your point.
Your point is
people are
hey Aaron, it's Eric's turn here. Yeah, we got your point several times. You said it very loud. We appreciate that. Now, the point is, Aaron, you, in order to say you have certainty, either have to posit yourself as knowing everything, or, and I know you're not doing that, or posit somebody else knowing everything and telling it to you. Now, Thunderfoot has already said, okay, I'm not going to be an atheist anymore. I'm going to believe in the ghost that never lies. Did you say he can never lie and he knows everything, so he can't lie? If he knows everything, he's God.
Truth is that which conforms to the mind of God. Another thing is, I do believe that truth is what corresponds to reality, but unless you have revelation from God, you can't know what's the right reality.
Then how do you know that God exists?
Because he's revealed it such that we can be certain of it. First, I'd like to quickly say that Aaron originally denied absolute truth and then said he was certain of something, and they just don't match. Is it possible that your mind is being controlled, Thunderfoot?
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, that's Concordance and Thunderfoot, who both say it's possible their mind is being controlled, so they can't know anything to be true.